Hi! For our dessert today, we will make a sunny side up egg look chum chum. So let's go! Like if you like it and just click off a button to subscribe. We will start by taking about 2 tablespoons of warm milk, add saffron strands to it, stir and then keep it aside for at least half an hour. While the saffron is soaking, take about 150 gram of scrambled paneer, preferably homemade. Start to mash them with your palm. For homemade paneer recipe, click the link above or find the link in the description box below. Add 1 tablespoon of maida or corn flour and continue mashing. Mashing the paneer well does the trick. I almost took 12 to 15 minutes for this. Add half tablespoon of suji or rava. See, you can see how smooth it has turned into. Now roll the mixture and cut into small portions. Press each portion firmly between your palms while rolling into tight balls. Once done, make a thumb impression. Close all the cracks as much as possible and keep it aside. In a pan, take about 1.5 cup of sugar and to it add about 3 times the water, which will be around 4.5 cup of water. Let the sugar melt completely. I boil the sugar syrup for about 15 to 20 minutes. Bring to a boil and let the sugar syrup reduce until we get a single string consistency. The sugar syrup looks ready. Now time to add the prepared paneer cups. Since we are using sugar syrup in this recipe, we will not add sweetness to the paneer. Let it boil for 5 minutes without lid, then cover and boil for almost 10 to 12 minutes. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan as the chum chum will expand in size and will break if it is crowded. Switch off the flame and let it rest for 5 minutes. While my chum chum is resting, we will make the topping. Take some grated sweetened khoya. If not available, add sugar to the normal khoya. Add the soaked saffron milk and a drop of kevra essence. You can add any flavor you like. Few drops of milk and then mix until smooth. Once done, make small balls out of the mixture and add it to the top of the chum chum. Your fun sunny side up chum chum is ready to be served. Let us quickly go over the ingredients list.